Let's see how this could work for your business. For an example and simplicity, if we say you have a turnover of £1 million and that you have £900,000 in costs, that would mean you have made £100,000 profit. Currently, you have to pay corporation tax on that profit of 19%, so in this case, you'd be paying £19,000 to HMRC. For R&D claims, we are able to look back for up to 2 years after the end of your financial period. RDS can assess whether any R&D was performed, and if so, what expenditure can be claimed. So, what we're saying is that you can offset the £900,000 against your profit, but you have not allowed for your company's R&D. There are many areas that could make an R&D claim, such as a percentage of employed staff salaries, NI and pension contributions, reimbursed travel costs, subcontractor costs, material and wastage costs, and software costs. Once we have evaluated your eligible R&D costs, imagine we identify an R&D spend of £100,000. Obviously, this depends on the sector that you were in. For example, manufacturing and engineering companies may have higher materials and wastage costs, whereas IT companies will normally have more meetings to understand their clients' needs and possibly software costs. To summarize, you've already had 100% relief on the £900,000, but let's say, in this example, that we have identified £100,000 of this relates to qualifying R&D expenditure. HMRC allow your company to claim an additional 130% tax relief on the £100,000, so this would give an additional £130,000 deduction. As the illustration shows, the company does not have any profits for tax purposes, and a CT reduction or refund of £19,000 will be due from HMRC. Furthermore, the company is now in a tax-adjusted loss of £30,000. This could potentially be offset against a different period CT. However, if this is not possible, the losses can be surrendered for a payable tax credit of 14.5% for £4,350. In our example, this gives a total benefit of £23,350, so a 23.3% rebate of the qualifying R&D costs. Therefore, effectively, you have overpaid tax from the previous year due to not claiming your R&D benefit, so in most cases this will be a refund. For your current and future financial years, R&D claims will tend to help reduce your tax liability. It is also important to mention again that your company does not have to be profitable to benefit from HMRC's R&D tax incentive scheme. The purpose of the incentive is to help all eligible UK limited companies to grow, develop, and innovate.